So as I've mentioned several times, there are a lot of effects available in this program. And let's do one with the star. We'll make the color change with just a simple hue keyframe. So I'm going to double click on the star. This may have happened with some of you. It brings up just the layer. Now I'm at a lower resolution. It won't really be this pixelated, but I'll use this to use the effect. Color correction. Hue saturation. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. You can make a single color change. You can just tons of stuff. But I'm just going to use this simple hue saturation. Now you could make it keyframe from a black and white into color. You could increase the amount of color. But the keyframeable thing that I like is just the keyframing the master hue. This is where that stopwatch is. You can go forward in time and then just change the angle of the hue. And you can see that it will go all the way back to its original with each rotation. So you can do that and it will change color over those 5 seconds through all the different hues. I recommend not doing this too fast. So if we want to look at that keyframe, I'm just going to press U on the star so we see just that. If you're looking for it, it can be a little hard to see. Let me expand star, and then you got this effect. So it might be under there, and then hue saturation, and then you've got the channel range right here. So easy way is just select. You need to know this U key keyframe shortcut, and then you can move this further apart. And now it's going to change color very, very slowly over time. If you want to make it go faster, but you want it to change color the entire time, then you would need to go to that keyframe. It's best to use your keyframe jumper to go there. Let me see if I can see mine. So I can jump back to that keyframe. And now I'm going to just wind it up a little more. So instead of 1 time, I'm going to have it do it 5 times. And now we've got that color change happening over the longer period of time and changing through all of the colors 5 times.